Looking for affordable classic cars under $8,000? From Corvettes and Mustangs to luxury Lincolns and vintage cruisers, here are 10 classic car deals currently for sale across America. Number 1. 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V, $7,000, Winder, Georgia. This luxury coupe is powered by Ford's massive 460 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The car runs and drives smoothly with a well-preserved interior, power accessories, and classic hideaway headlights. The interior appears exceptionally clean, while the exterior has been repainted at some point. Most features work, although the driver's power seat has limited functionality. Overall, it looks like a solid full-size luxury cruiser for the money. Number 2. 1974 Ford Maverick, $3,500, Anniston, Alabama. This Maverick comes with an inline-six engine and automatic transmission. The seller says it runs, drives, and stops, making it a complete project that can still move under its own power. It's being sold as a running project car and will likely need additional work before becoming a dependable daily driver. Still, the affordable price makes it an interesting entry-level classic. Number 3. 1995 Mazda MX-5 Miata R Package, $6,500, Enon, Ohio. This rare R Package Miata features a manual transmission, factory LSD, air conditioning, co-oils, and aftermarket gauges. The seller reports no major mechanical issues. There is visible rust behind the driver's door, but the car appears to be a solid driver overall. The hardtop is included, and an aftermarket ECU comes with the sale, making this one attractive for Miata enthusiasts. Number 4. 1994 Mazda MX-5 Miata, $6,500, Cleveland, Ohio. With only 63,000 original miles and a manual transmission, this Miata has spent much of its life stored indoors. Recent work includes new tires, battery, front brakes, and co-oils. The car still needs some finishing touches and does have rust underneath, but it runs and drives well. For buyers seeking a low-mileage NA Miata, this could be a promising project. Number 5. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $7,500, Wickliffe, Ohio. This Mustang has been upgraded with a 5.0 V8, 5-speed manual transmission, performance camshaft, headers, upgraded cooling system, and numerous new fuel and brake components. The car is essentially a roller project with many valuable parts already installed. Suspension work remains unfinished, but it offers a strong foundation for someone wanting a modified first-generation Mustang. Number 6. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, $4,500, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. This C3 Corvette features an automatic transmission and a Jasper replacement engine with roughly 10,000 miles. The seller has completed numerous repairs, including fuel system work, brakes, cooling components, ignition parts, and exhaust upgrades. The car is still unfinished and currently requires additional brake and body mount work. It runs, but has been sitting on jack stands for months and will need to be trailered home. A budget Corvette project with a lot of recent parts already installed. Number 7. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, $5,000, Mullins, South Carolina. This blue-on-blue Corvette has 85,000 miles, automatic transmission, T-tops, and a new set of BF Goodrich tires. The seller says it runs and drives well. The main issues are cosmetic and electrical. The paint clear coat is peeling on the hood and roof, and the power windows are not functioning. Still, it appears to be a usable C3 driver at an affordable price. Number 8. 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham d'Elegance. $3,500, Kennesaw, Georgia. Powered by a 425 V8, this Cadillac retains its classic luxury feel with low original mileage, a clean interior, and a recently installed vinyl top. The body is largely rust-free, and the car remains mostly complete. After sitting for some time, it will need fuel system attention and a tune-up. The seller states it can run, drive, and stop when supplied with fuel, making it a potential restoration candidate. Number 9. 1962 Ford Falcon Sedan, $3,500, Liberty, South Carolina. This Falcon is equipped with a 144 cubic inch 6-cylinder and Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. Recent maintenance includes a new carburetor, fuel pump, fuel tank, sending unit, tires, and floor pans. The car starts easily, drives well, and presents as an honest survivor. Aside from needing a headliner and showing minor cosmetic imperfections, it appears to be ready to be enjoyed as a simple classic cruiser. Number 10. 1952 Plymouth Cambridge, $7,500, Northern Cambria, Pennsylvania. This Plymouth is powered by its original flathead 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The seller describes it as a turnkey classic that starts, runs, and drives exceptionally well. The original 6-volt electrical system remains intact, the gauges function properly, and the interior appears remarkably well preserved. For buyers seeking a ready-to-enjoy early 1950s cruiser, this looks like one of the most complete cars on the list. Whether you're searching for a budget project, a weekend cruiser, or a rare classic, this list proves there are still plenty of affordable old cars out there. Which one would you take home? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more classic car finds.